Hello guys, today we'll show you how to loading the firmware for the 1200 printer model. And first thing you need to check to open on the controllers like this one. And remember that you need to unplug the fan and see two connectors right here. This is the loading firmware port from the PC to the board. And one component you need, that is the USB plaster, and this device you need to is must to have to loading the firmware and correctly the model you can see right here. And another thing is the application, that is the Quartus II and 14 programmer. Another is Mylan 2 14 software building tool also. And to download the tools, you go to the Android Google and try search Quartus II 14. Okay, enter. And you got a reset right here, soft download center, enter. Go to the download center and make sure you don't download too much component, just download enough the component. Now untrack some component right here. This will help you save the time for loading the application. Okay, and then click download, select file. Now you sign the number, or you sign up the create new account to download the application. Okay. After download and installation the application, you go to start and on program. You recheck again at the folder, enter 14. Okay, click. And you see the 9 hours, enter. And yeah, right here the 9 hours application send to the desktop to make the press shortcuts. And another for the Quartus II 14. Okay, and you got two applications right here. Next step, you plug the USB plaster to the PC via the USB port. Plug right here, and you will got a warning right here for install the driver for the USB plaster. Now you can go to the computer manager and go to the device manager to find and install the driver. You can see the USB plaster right here. And you right click and update the software, browse to the folder software, right, and browse to the folder of the Entera folder. You need to go to the folder of the Entera C, Entera, and Quartus driver and USB plaster. Okay, click and net install the driver, install. Okay, right here after installing, you got the window has successfully update your driver software. You can click right here to close this information right here. Yeah. Okay, next step, you need to connect the USB plaster to the board of the controller, and make sure you need to turn off the power supply before you plug the cable. Okay, now plug. You make sure plug on the first port. Okay, and now turn on the controller. Okay, it has power and now turn on right now. Okay, you see I have the 2 bit. Okay. After power on the controller, now you go return to the PC. And this is the file you got from this is the file for loading firmware and you got from us. And this is the firmware. Okay, you extract here. Extract to the right. Okay. And next, retract on the D. Yeah, this is longer folder. Open. Okay, you will see some file here. Next, open the Quartus II 14. Go to the hardware setup, and you see the hardware setup. You go to the hardware settings tab, and the current selected hardware you select the USB cluster, USB 0, and the hardware USB cluster server circle, and close. Okay, now click add file, and browse to the folder containing the firmware we just extracted before. Loading firmware. Okay, open. And select the file 1200.soft and open. You got the RAM right here, and we have the start button right here and red start button and reset right here. After loading success, you get some pip. We have the 100% success. After loading the hardware by the Quartus II complete, now you go to the Mylan 2, open, and the application warning, the folder work page, you don't care about it, you go OK. Okay, the first screen for the application, you go to the Mylan 2 and go to the Plat Programmer, and okay, to the application Plat Programmer, you go to File, New, and get Plat Programmer system from the PCs. Okay, select the definition and browse to the folder containing the firmware. What's loading firmware. Open and select one file right here to the NOT system and open. Okay, the loading file and the master CPU name, you select CPU1 and OK. We have the one button right here, the connection, connect, and you select the number USB cluster and on localhost. This is our USB cluster. Okay, and instant ID 0, close, and we have the one X button right here. Click X. Net return to D again. Loading firmware. Okay. Open 120 soft again. Select. Okay, you have add button. Add again. You go to Quartus soft. NIOS. Okay. And select CPU1. Select. Okay. Summarize again. You have two files soft and 1200 soft and CPU1 LEF. And one button right here, the button start. Go start. See the loading process right here. The instant process right here to me.
Tại sao nó nhận được cái serial number này? Cái đó không?
Không phải. Nè, printer kết nối nó nhận được, nhưng mà cái đó nó không báo mình cái kết nối lên nhận được.
Có serial number.
Bởi vậy nó đi ra được các loại này, tại sao nó nhận được này? Đó là tôi gọi số 6102 đâu.
So after that, the message programming 80 kilobyte and the living target processor power. You go to the buttons, access. Okay, close the application. Okay, that's done for the second step. Next step, you need to restarting the CPU, the controller by turn off the controller, and then take out the cable for the USB blaster. Okay, that is done. Now try to power on the controller. Okay, so you get us to appear. That means the loading the firmware success. Okay, thanks for watching.